Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 8.2% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.9% in the last session. Stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street's main indexes rebounded after a three-day slide, driven by gains in technology stocks as the lowest weekly jobless claim since the start of the recession lifted the mood. T0 and energy funders will tokenize $25 million of equity interests in a fund focused on U.S. oil and natural gas assets on the Ethereum blockchain. The Australian dollar climbed after labor force data showed a faster-than-expected decline in unemployment in April, while the New Zealand dollar gained as well.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's market services PMI will be released at 8:30 GMT, the Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1400 GMT, Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting will be released at 0000 GMT, the US market manufacturing PMI at 1345 GMT, the UK's retail sales at 600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.